we are going to discuss about based on products developed using 3D printer. And Nitish, you can ask what are the questions you are having.
Sir, what is the purpose of using 3D printers?
Actually, the main process while investing a product in 3D printer is for developing a prototype. That is why, because in 3D printing there will be very less material loss and also very cost effective compared to the mass production establishment of a new product.
So how many types of material we can use in 3D printing?
Actually, we can able to use 5 varieties of materials such as polymers, plastics, ceramics, metals, and then liquid polymer. With the most prominent and promising machine is fused deposition modeling. With the fused deposition modeling, we can able to use a product through polymer based products.
So which is the major material used in 3D machine?
Major material is nowadays only the 3D printing is currently pursuing from prototyping to mass prototyping to mass production. And fused deposition modeling by using the polymer based material, polymer based additive manufacturing, that is the most promising techniques nowadays we are using in Industry 4.0.
So how can we change the design to 3D machines?
Actually, it is having a standard procedure. If you are designing a product or a component using any design software such as CATIA, Creo or Pro-E, through which we can able to save the format of the design as a standard tessellation language, which is nothing but STL format. Once the product design data is converted into a standard tessellation language data, we can able to directly print the product by using 3D printer.
Sir, how complicated we use the 3D printer machine?
Actually, what we are going to say is we are mainly focusing on the customized product using 3D printer. But while coming to the most complex structured 3D printer, we can able to print using all the varieties of 3D printer. But mostly the metal printer or composite printer are costlier compared to the polymer printing.
So what the major problem we occur in 3D printer?
Actually, the thing is material consumption, time consumption is the main manufacturing feasibility factor in all aspects. But in 3D printing, these two can be easily attained. But compared to the traditional manufacturing process, it consumes more time. By every industry, it is in research and development process through which we can able to print the product. It could not be attained the regular manufacturing process time.
So what is the density of the product will be used?
It is depend upon the material which we are choosing, is because while choosing the ABS polymer material, which is consuming about 1.07 joule per ml, which is nothing but the high density factor which we are using in the polymer additive manufacturing.
Sir, in making a product, it will be a plastic material and which one is the strongest material?
Actually, we can able to compare the plastic as well as polymer, but polymer material will be having the most strength compared to the plastics.
Sir, in those days, the FDM is how to take a major role in the future?
Actually, in Industry 4.0, everything is come under robotics and automation. 3D printer is a complete automation-based manufacturing process. While if any company is ready for investing their money in complete 3D printing and robotics and automation, 3D printing plays a vital role, because while using number of 3D printers, we can able to establish a more number of robotic controlled industry, through which we can able to get many support from the government side also, because we are planning for investing any factor in Industry 4.0.
Sir, in future it will be a great 3D printer. In making a material for 3D printer, how to?
Actually, in nowadays, what they are doing is for polymer-based additive manufacturing, we are recycling the existing polymer and converting it into a filament type. While going to the mass production of polymer-based additive manufacturing, every plastic product and every polymer component can be manufactured using. You can be able to produce a 3D printed material by using a filament producer, we can able to attain the product.
So in that material, it can be not react in environmental process.
While manufacturing the material, it will also attack the environment, but we can able to produce those filament type material by using closed environmental factor. By using the closed environmental factor, we can able to reduce the fumes produced from the manufacturing of material.
Sorry, in medical field they are using 3D printer.
In medical printer, they are actually manufacturing the prosthetics and additive manufactured component by using replaced material, but it is not effectively replaced because it is in testing conditions only nowadays. And these are the case studies which we are going to related with 3D printed products. And by concluding this video, thank you.